Welcome. Today we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to remove a sent GIF from your favorites on Instagram. If you've been using Instagram for a while, you might have noticed that your favorite GIFs can pile up. Luckily, getting rid of them is straightforward. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account, as this will allow you to access all your messages and favorite GIFs seamlessly. Next, look for the messages icon at the top of the page. It usually resembles a paper airplane or chat bubble. Tap on this icon to enter your messages section, where you can see all your conversations. Now find and open the chat that contains the GIF you want to remove. Scroll through your messages until you locate the specific chat where you sent the GIF. Once you're in the chat, you'll be able to see all the messages exchanged, including any GIFs you've sent. Here's where it gets simple. Click and hold on the sent GIF. This action will prompt a menu to appear with several options. Among these options, you'll see Remove as Favorite. Select this option to remove the GIF from your favorites list. And that's it. You've successfully removed a sent GIF from your favorites on Instagram. This process not only helps keep your favorites organized, but also ensures that you only have the GIFs you truly enjoy at your fingertips. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and share it with friends who might also want to tidy up their Instagram favorites. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to enhance your social media experience.